Are you ready to discover the latest and the greatest products on the market? Well, you are in the right place. Here we present the latest and the best gadget of all time. Today I am going to make video on folding saw of this year. If you like the products and want to buy them, then go to the description box where the links of the products are given. Product 1: Rex Betty Folding Saw. Rex Betty Folding Saw is a robust and versatile tool designed for various cutting tasks, particularly well suited for wood-related activities such as camping and pruning. With its heavy-duty construction, this folding saw boasts an 11-inch extra-long blade, providing ample reach for efficient cutting. The blade is made from quality SK5 steel, known for its durability and sharpness, ensuring reliable performance in demanding situations. The saw is specifically designed for cutting dry wood, making it an ideal companion for outdoor enthusiasts, campers, and individuals involved in woodworking or gardening. Its hard teeth contribute to its effectiveness in tackling challenging materials, allowing for precise and clean cuts. Any notable feature of the Rex Betty folding saw is its foldable design, which enhances portability and storage convenience. The folding mechanism makes it easy to carry in backpacks or tool kits, making it a practical choice for on-the-go applications. Whether you're exploring the great outdoor needs of users seeking a reliable and durable handsaw for wood-related tasks. Product 2: Product name of folding saw. A folding saw is a versatile and portable cutting tool designed for various outdoor activities such as camping, gardening, and hunting. The specific model mentioned in the provided information features an 8-inch rugged blade, making it well suited for a range of tasks, including cutting wood, PVC, bone, and pruning. The foldable design enhances its portability, allowing users to easily carry it in their backpacks or tool kits. The 8-inch blade provides a balance between compactness and cutting capability, making it suitable for a variety of outdoor tasks. Whether you are camping and need to gather firewood, tending to your garden with pruning needs, or engaged in hunting activities, this folding saw aims to fulfill those requirements. Any notable feature of this folding saw is its ergonomic non-slip handle design. This design element enhances user comfort and safety during prolonged use, ensuring a secure grip and reducing the risk of accidents. The emphasis on ergonomic control, such as pruning. In summary, the folding saw with an 8-inch rugged blade is a practical and convenient tool for outdoor enthusiasts engaged in camping, gardening, hunting, or any activity that involves cutting various materials. Its foldable design and ergonomic handle make it a versatile and user-friendly choice for those seeking a reliable cutting tool. Product 3: Product name Corona Tools Razor Tooth Folding Saw. Corona Tools 10-inch razor tooth folding saw, specifically the RS7265D model, is a versatile and efficient pruning saw designed for single-hand use. This folding saw features a curved blade handsaw that enhances its cutting capabilities, making it well suited for various pruning tasks. The design of the razor-tooth folding saw allows for easy and convenient storage, as the saw can be folded when not in use. Any notable feature of the Corona razor-tooth folding saw is its ability to cut branches up to 6 inches in diameter. This makes it a reliable tool for gardeners, arborists, and outdoor enthusiasts who need to trim or remove branches of varying sizes. The saw's razor-sharp teeth contribute to its cutting prowess, ensuring clean and efficient cuts with minimal effort. The single-hand use design enhances maneuverability and control, allowing users to tackle pruning tasks with precision. Whether used for tree maintenance or performance, its compact and foldable design makes it easy to carry, making it a valuable addition to the toolkit of anyone who requires a reliable and efficient pruning saw for a range of. Product 4: Product name Mosio 3-in-1 Folding Saw. Mosio 3-in-1 Folding Saw is a versatile and compact tool designed for various outdoor activities such as backpacking, hunting, and bushcraft. This folding saw is equipped with a 3-in-1 blade system, featuring specialized blades for cutting wood, metal, and PVC. This design makes it a practical and multifunctional tool, allowing users to tackle different materials with ease. The pruning handsaw is particularly useful for outdoor enthusiasts who engage in camping, hiking, or hunting activities. Its folding design enhances portability, making it convenient to carry in a backpack or tool kit. The inclusion of a pouch further adds to its travel-friendly nature, providing a secure and organized storage solution. Whether you need to clear branches during a camping trip, cut metal objects during a project, or deal with PVC materials in a survival situation, the Mosio 3-in-1 folding saw aims to be a reliable companion. Its durability in their outdoor pursuits, Product 5 Product name Flor Folding Handsaw. The Flor Folding Handsaw is a versatile tool designed for camping, pruning, and various outdoor activities. Featuring rugged 7.7-inch blades, this professional folding saw is equipped with razor-sharp teeth that enhance cutting efficiency. The compact design allows for easy portability, making it a practical choice for outdoor enthusiasts, gardeners, and campers. The saw is constructed with a solid grip, ensuring a secure and comfortable hold during use. The red color adds a touch of vibrancy to the tool. Its folding mechanism adds convenience, allowing users to easily store and transport the saw without taking up much space. With its durable construction and sharp blade, the Flor folding handsaw is suitable for tackling a range of cutting tasks, from pruning branches.
Thanks for watching. Links are in the description box. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and share the video.